I am Dr. Farhan, team leader of the Pakistan Rescue Team. First of all, I would like to express my deep condolence on this mega disaster, and we are standing with the Turkiye nations, and we would like to extend our full help to rescue all the victims of the earthquake. We reached here on 7th of February, and we started work at the Edi Aman, and over there we rescued live 6 victims and surveyed 76 buildings to find any live victims. And now we were relocated to this Antakya city of the Hatay, and now we are doing the search operation here and identifying the live victim if there are any. And we are using the life and motion detector and the physical search methods to identify any live victim in the rubble.
When did you reach to Hatay?
We reached Hatay 2 days before, and after 13th of February, and then we started the search of the building, and up till now we have searched 16 buildings in the Hatay and removed 1 dead body in the Hatay, only for the humanity to help the Turkiye nations. And this can happen to any nation, even in Pakistan. And in Pakistan, the Turkiye teams moved and worked there in 2005, and we are also here to help and to stand with them.
Sir, the Pakistan is affected from the earthquake a lot, unfortunately. When you see the earthquake, such a kind of huge area, do you think that a country can handle and reach to all places in the first hours or first days of the earthquake?
I don't think so, because this type of mega disasters, the local resources or the national resources are not enough, and definitely this type of disaster need external help and assistance to deal with this. So I think all the nations who are coming here, you and I, we are also grateful for them.
My last question, do you have any message to Turkish people?
Yes, only this is will of Allah, and we are standing with them, and other nations are with them. Stay strong, and inshallah it will be over.